Hey everyone from Detroit. As you know, in our city, we're crazy about cars, and I'm no exception. My name is Michael, and my channel is all about that. Subscribe if you're interested in in-depth insights from someone with real hands-on experience. All right, let's get into it.
Hey everyone, let's dive into the fascinating world of electric SUV design, specifically focusing on two titans of the automotive industry, Mercedes-Benz and Audi. These brands aren't just competing. They're locked in a fierce, decades-long rivalry, pushing each other to innovate and constantly raise the bar. This rivalry is especially evident in their approaches to designing electric SUVs. We all know the pressure these companies are under. The shift to electric vehicles is massive, and it's not just about swapping out a combustion engine for a battery pack. It's a complete reimagining of the vehicle architecture, the manufacturing process, and even the driving experience. Mercedes and Audi, with their long histories of luxury and performance, are facing the challenge head-on, but with very different strategies. Let's start with Mercedes-Benz. Their approach seems to be focused on a blend of luxury and technological sophistication. Think about the EQS SUV. It's not just about the electric powertrain. It's about the opulent interior, the advanced driver assistance systems, and the seamless integration of technology. They're leveraging their existing strengths in luxury car manufacturing and applying them to the electric SUV segment. They're not just building an electric car, they're building a statement of luxury, a symbol of status, and a showcase of cutting-edge technology. Consider the emphasis on materials: high-quality leather, sustainable wood, and advanced displays. It's a holistic approach, aiming to create an experience that's as luxurious as it is sustainable. They're also investing heavily in their charging infrastructure and services, making the ownership experience as seamless as possible. Now, let's turn our attention to Audi. Their strategy appears to be more focused on performance and efficiency. While luxury is certainly a key element, Audi seems to be emphasizing the sporty driving dynamics and the overall efficiency of their electric SUVs like the e-tron and the Q8 e-tron. They're drawing on their long history of building high-performance vehicles, and that heritage is clearly visible in the driving experience they offer. The focus is on precise handling, responsive acceleration, and a more driver-centric approach. While the interiors are undeniably luxurious, the emphasis is less on opulent materials and more on technological integration and a sporty driver-focused cockpit design. They're also pushing the boundaries of battery technology, aiming for longer ranges and faster charging times. The difference in approach is fascinating. Mercedes is leaning into the opulence and technological showcase, while Audi is emphasizing performance and efficiency. Both are valid strategies, and both brands are succeeding in their respective approaches. But the underlying rivalry is undeniable. Each new model from one manufacturer pushes the other to innovate and improve, leading to a constant evolution in the electric SUV market. This competition benefits us, the consumers, as we get to enjoy increasingly sophisticated and capable electric vehicles. It's a thrilling time to be a car enthusiast, and the ongoing battle between Mercedes-Benz and Audi in the electric SUV arena is a key part of that excitement. The future of electric SUVs is bright, and these two giants are leading the charge. So let's dive into the fascinating world of electric SUV development, specifically focusing on two titans of the automotive industry, Mercedes-Benz and Audi. We'll explore their distinct approaches to designing these game-changing vehicles. First, let's talk about their development plans. Mercedes-Benz, with their EQ range, has taken a rather holistic approach. They haven't just slapped electric motors into existing SUV platforms. Instead, they've designed the EQE and EQS SUVs from the ground up as electric vehicles. This means considering battery placement, weight distribution, aerodynamics, and charging infrastructure from the very first sketch. They've invested heavily in modular platforms, allowing them to adapt and scale their production efficiently across various models and sizes. This forward-thinking strategy allows for quicker innovation and adaptation to the ever-evolving electric vehicle market. Audi, on the other hand, has adopted a more iterative approach, electrifying existing platforms while simultaneously developing dedicated EV architectures like the PPE platform shared with Porsche. This strategy allows them to leverage existing expertise and infrastructure while gradually transitioning to a fully electric future. Both approaches have their merits, with Mercedes focusing on a clean-sheet design for optimal EV performance and Audi utilizing a more gradual, cost-effective transition. The key difference lies in their timelines and risk tolerance. Now, let's shift our focus to how both manufacturers are integrating technology into other industries. This isn't just about the cars themselves, it's about the entire ecosystem. Mercedes-Benz is heavily investing in charging infrastructure partnerships, aiming to create a seamless and convenient charging experience for their customers. They're also exploring collaborations with energy companies to integrate their vehicles into smart grids, potentially using the batteries as energy storage solutions during peak demand. This is a significant step towards a more sustainable future, moving beyond just the vehicle itself. Audi, similarly, is exploring partnerships in areas like autonomous driving technology and digital services. They're integrating their vehicles into connected ecosystems, providing users with a comprehensive digital experience that extends beyond the driving experience. Think about things like personalized infotainment, over-the-air updates, and predictive maintenance, all designed to enhance the overall ownership experience and create a more integrated and user-friendly approach to automotive technology. Both brands are actively seeking to redefine the relationship between the car and its owner, moving beyond simple transportation to a more holistic and connected experience. Finally, let's touch upon some related news and developments. Both Mercedes-Benz and Audi are constantly facing pressure from competitors, particularly from Tesla and other emerging EV manufacturers. The race to develop more efficient batteries, faster charging technologies, and more advanced autonomous driving systems is incredibly intense. Recent news highlights the ongoing investments in research and development, the expansion of production facilities, and the strategic partnerships being formed to maintain a competitive edge. We've seen announcements regarding new battery technologies, software updates, and even the development of entirely new platforms dedicated to electric vehicles. Keeping up with these developments is crucial to understanding the future of electric SUVs and the strategies these automotive giants are employing to stay ahead of the curve. The landscape is constantly shifting, and both Mercedes-Benz and Audi are actively adapting and innovating to maintain their positions as leaders in the luxury electric vehicle market.